Welcome, Rita, to our booth in WebSummit.
Again
and again.
and again and again.
What do you expect and to expect from WebSummit this year?
More connect with more companies, found new ideas, try to keep this networking and bring to Coimbra some news and some ideas and some innovation.
Very well. You have something to present here, or just looking around?
No, we will present. Last year we were here not with a stand, but this year we returned to the exhibition stage. We are today in the Startup Portugal stand, and we will have our growth stand on Thursday to present the company and all the solutions that we have at the moment to present.
Very well. Can you tell more the importance of IPN in the growth of TUU?
Of course, we've worked there. We've been there during a lot of years. Then we grow and we need to find another space. But we continue to keep the connection with the IPN system, ecosystem. For us, it's important to be here today with you. It's important to be with you every day in the opportunities that we have and try to make them grow. So for us, it's a lifetime connection.
Oh, thank you very much. And I hope this is a good couple of days for you. And,
for us.
And welcome back to our booth.
Thank you.